Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, January 19th. Our key points: the coldest temps so far for this season have arrived. We do have an extreme cold warning in effect for Monday morning. Temps will be below normal into next weekend, although we will see them slowly moderate throughout this week. Otherwise, it's going to be dry throughout much of the week as well, with our next system arriving Friday. Current look at satellite shows stratus moving into the region associated with a short wave that's going to bring some isolated snow showers to the eastern and southeast highlands without too much accumulation expected at all this morning. So these clouds are increasing our temperatures as we get some insulation from those. So we've already seen our coldest temperatures of the morning a few hours ago. The weather risk outlook, of course, cold temperatures Sunday through Tuesday. Outside of that, like I mentioned, just those isolated high elevation snow showers. Not much accumulation expected, maybe up to a couple inches in the high terrain. But the big story this week is the cold for the first part of the week. Otherwise, dry conditions to round out the work week with that next system arriving just outside of this period on Friday. High temperatures today will be pretty mild, so we're looking at teens and low to mid 20s for much of the region. Now, temperatures Monday morning, a lot colder. So, low temperatures, widespread negative single and double digits, but the apparent lows, which is the real feel for Monday morning, widespread 20s and 30s. So, we do have that extreme cold warning in effect for these zones here in blue. That's going to be from 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. on Monday for dangerously cold wind chills, ranging as low as 20 to 30 degrees below zero. So do keep in mind that frostbite and hypothermia could result from these temperatures. So make sure you're bundling up, limiting time outdoors when at all possible. But if you do have to go out, putting on multiple layers and making sure your skin is not exposed to the elements. Temperatures for Tuesday morning, still pretty nasty, but not quite as cold as Monday. Still widespread teens and 20s below zero for the real feel. So for Tuesday, we'll start to see those temperatures starting to rebound. So we'll have a slow start with Monday's high temperatures, still very chilly, single digits for a lot of the area. But by Tuesday, here in Pocatello, 23. So widespread teens and 20s for our highs. So just to summarize, like I said, the coldest temperatures of the season have arrived. So we'll see a very cold start to this week with an extreme cold warning in effect for Monday for some of our zones. So this is going to be temperatures ranging 20 to 30 degrees below normal for some of those areas. So we'll see below normal temperatures into next weekend, but they'll slowly moderate throughout the week. Otherwise, dry conditions for much of the work week with our next system arriving on Friday. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out and hope you have a wonderful Sunday.